Hello and welcome to the tutorial. Let's learn about Tableau. So today we'll use chocolate dataset and we'll find key business insights from the dataset. Here from this dataset we have to find number 1, which countries contribute the most to overall chocolate sales. 2 is who are the top 10 salesperson by total chocolate sales, and third is to find business summary. Let's get started. The first step will load data into Tableau. After that, second step will create visuals or charts. Open your Tableau. So this is my Tableau public edition. First step is to load the data. To connect data, click on Microsoft Excel and select your dataset. For example, here I have my chocolate dataset. Click on Open. Here you can see the dataset is loaded. Here to the right bottom, you will see all the columns of the dataset: salesperson, country, product, date, amount, boxes shipped. Click on Go to Worksheet, Sheet 1. So we have completed the first step of loading the data. Now, next step is create your first visual. So the question is, which countries contribute the most to overall chocolate sales? So we have to find sales by country. So here we'll select countries. So let's drag country and drop it into columns. Then drag data count and drop it into rows. You can drag and drop country into the color to see the visual by colors. Here you can see on the x-axis we have country and on the y-axis we have count of the data. On the tooltip of the first bar you will see country Australia with 205 count of data. In Tableau, this is the left panel called as the data pan. Data pan is divided into two parts. This first part is called as the dimensions and this second part is called as measures. So the above are dimensions which hold categorical data, and the below are called as measures which hold integer data, latitude and longitude. Next to the data pan is this panel. This is the filters area which is called as filters shelf. We can apply filters to the sheets. Below is the marks. So this is called as marks, which has a small arrow button to it, which contains automatic bar, line, area, circles, shape, etc. Below there are different options called as marks card, color, size, label, detail, tooltip. You will definitely learn from this first tutorial of Tableau. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.